Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn page number 3 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring book, class 4th. On page number 2, one drawing is given. We are going to complete on page number 3. You can see there some drawing is already given, but we want to draw some fishes on it. One by one we are going to draw. You can see downside some shells also there. We are going to draw that and try to do same as shown. Here we are going to use sketch pen and oil pastel to complete this worksheet or page number 3. Like this we can draw with the pencil slowly. On this aquarium, if you want to draw any more fishes, you can draw it, but here for showing example I am going to draw the big fishes one by one. If you want to increase the number of fish, you can increase it, but how much given, that much you have to draw. Okay, I am going to draw it now. With the help of pencil, just lightly you have to draw each and every fish. If you want to change the shape, you can change it. Now with the help of sketch pen or marker, you can do border. I recommended you have to use sketch pen only, don't use permanent marker. Okay, because if you can see the from back side, the page will be damaged because we have both sides some drawing, that's why. Here I have worksheet, that's why I am going to use permanent marker there. Okay, like this, do the each and every part border first, then after we are going to paint inside with the help of sketch pen and oil pastels. Now my drawing of outline is already finished. Now I am going to do border for all fishes. Like this, one by one you can do border. If you want to change shape, you can change it, but here I already draw some with pencil, that's why I am not going to change this shape. But I am not going to draw the small fishes on top side. There are few fishes are there. I am not going to draw this. If you have comfortable, you are able to draw, then you can draw it on this page. Here no need to use any scale or something instrument to draw it. With the help of your hands you can do the easily. The all drawing is very simple and easy. You can able to do with pencil like this. Okay, some grass part is there. This is an aquarium. I'm going to draw the eyes and some bubbles like this in front of mouth of fish. Okay, like this our border work is finished. Now if you can observe that there is a work with the sketch pen on fish. Afterwards we are going to paint background with oil pastel. Now here I am using the red color. If you want to make some texture, you can do texture, some lines, some curve lines, zigzag line. With the help of this you can do the different design on it. You have a freedom to do. Here I am just going to paint big part first, then after wings and all these things. If you choose any one color, try to see where is that color is there. You can repeat that color. Where is the green color is there, you can see that there is a most of part is there with the green color, as well as the grass part also with the green color. Here you have a freedom to choose different color, but it's depend on you. Like this, I'm going to leave some white space there. Like this, I'm not going to paint each and every part, making with the help of lines to paint this. Now I'm going to make a texture on fish. Like this you can do. If you want to change symbols on it, you can change it, but here just with the help of dot lines with the simple techniques, I'm going to paint each and every part like this. If you can observe that there is a color overlapping also there, okay, you can take a time to color it properly. Try to do same. If you don't have possible, if you don't have a same color, you can change color that time only. Unless try to do same. On page number 2 already drawing is given, you can copy from there. But when you going to draw fish, you can do your own imagination to draw. If you don't have possible to draw same fish, you can change the shape of it. Here I am going to use orange color for shells. Okay, like this you can change color if you want to change. One by one I am going to paint each and every part. Now only few parts remain of paint with sketch pen or watercolor pen. You can also use that. Like this. Now I am going to use oil pastel to give a blue color. Here I am using a light blue color. When you using that, make that sure don't press too much oil pastel on that paper. Just lightly you have to use. Make that sure color will not go in on the color part of fish, those we paint before. First of all, lightly just outside part you can paint. Then after where is the white part is there, you can overlap it again. Now I am going to paint fast this part. Now when it possible, when you paint outline part first, that time you are able to paint like this way, but you have lots of time. Take a time and do properly. Now with the help of cotton I am just making a smooth and dissolve that lines. Those are visible on it. With the help of this I am going to make smooth and well finish with this cotton. You can use tissue paper also to make that clean. Now with the help of dark blue I am going to draw some lines or waves on it. It depends on you. If you want to do more, you can do it. Okay, one by one I am going to draw. Make that sure it should be in one line. Just small part should be there, not continuously how to draw. Like this. Now for border I am going to use yellow color there. With the help of oil pastel and sketch pen, we done this. Now afterwards it look like this. Okay, now we learned page number 3. Afterwards we are going to complete next one. Till that time, bye bye everyone.